Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use photo match to make some photo textures like this. You can see right now. I'm going to show you now the example. So here we go. And I'm going to show you some very important stuff that you have to remember while doing something like this. So, first of all, let's just say you have the first photo and 3 additional photos. To start off, you have to set the origin. In my case, I use only completely static lines. I mean, not blurred, not half visible, half not visible. I use completely static. When I say static, I mean that they are not uh, like different in some other pictures. They are the same everywhere. In my case, I mean this line. This line is straight vertical, so I remember that it's like never changes, and I am decided to use this line as origin. So I set my origin here, and I align red lines and green accordingly. So I can see that this cannot be like skewy, this all the time like horizontal. Also, I see this as like the first line which comes into my attention. It is also horizontal. It may go like different here, but it is horizontal in this area, actually in this area. Also about red lines, I can see that this is like straight, like horizontal here and here. Then I found the same segments in my next picture. It's like you see like 45 degrees. This is like more like almost like 90 degrees, like 60 degrees, 45 degrees, and the major parts that I'm using as dependency, they are visible in both pictures. See here, origin, lines, lines, lines. Then I go deeper, I pick up like the full picture. Now I see that I have to use my previous work to apply this like partial origin to whole picture, and I scale what I have to the whole model. So I just use scale tool, so I'm in this one, to scale this up. Alright, then I take another picture which is like more detailed picture, and I move it up so close that I can actually adjust like details, like staircase in this case, like this, like construction appendix, like something. You can see that now I can actually go ahead and move it around, because I know that my axis, my origin is there. So okay, let's now keep doing the texture work. So as you can see now here, we can use this part as duplicate. We can rotate it. Oops, I always I always tend to find some problems with this tool. Why? Can I actually flip it? Ah, I can reverse faces. Yeah, that's what I can do. I can move it here. Ah, there's also an option to like keeping our coordinates. Or it's not here. It is in Wolf Hammer Editor, which is editor for Half-Life. Alright, so yeah, that's actually everything I wanted to show you in this video. Right, thanks for watching, have a good time and bye bye, and have a good time, see you later in the next video about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.